One of the biggest misconceptions about machine learning is thinking that it's a one-time task. You collect data, you train a model, you deploy it, and you're done. That's it, project finished. On to the next one, but that couldn't be further from the truth if you've ever thought this way. Don't worry, you're not alone. But today we're going to completely reframe how we see machine learning systems in the real world. In reality, production machine learning systems are never finished. They are designed to be iterative, constantly evolving, and always learning. Think of it like this: the world that your model operates in keeps changing. It's not a static environment. User behavior evolves over time. What people searched for last year is different from what they're searching for today. Data distributions drift. The information you trained your model on starts to look less and less like the data it's seeing now. On top of that, business goals shift. A model trained on the past slowly but surely becomes misaligned with the present. It starts to lose its edge, its accuracy, and its usefulness. This is why production machine learning is built as a loop, not a straight line. It's a continuous cycle of improvement. So, what does this loop look like? Well, you start by defining a clear goal. What problem are you trying to solve? Then, you collect the data you need. After that, you train your model. This is the part most people are familiar with. Then, you deploy it into the real world. Now, here's where the crucial difference comes in. After deployment, you don't just walk away, you monitor. You watch how the system behaves in the real world. You track its performance, its predictions, and its impact. This constant monitoring reveals the gaps. It shows you where the model is uncertain. It pinpoints where errors are starting to increase. It highlights where your initial assumptions might be breaking down. All of these signals are incredibly valuable, and they feed back into the system. They are the catalyst for the next phase of the cycle, based on what you observe. You might need to improve your data quality, maybe by collecting new data or cleaning up existing datasets. You might update the features you're using to train your model, or you might simply retrain your existing models on new, more relevant data. In some cases, you might even need to go all the way back to the beginning and rethink the original objective. Maybe the problem itself has changed. This cycle repeats, and it's important to understand this isn't happening because something went wrong. It's not a sign of failure. It repeats because change is expected. It's the natural state of things. Good machine learning systems embrace this iteration. They assume imperfection from the start. They assume uncertainty. And because of that, they are built to adapt rather than resist change. They are flexible and resilient. This is what truly separates research ML from production ML. In a research setting, you're often optimizing for a single, static result on a fixed dataset. You're trying to get the highest possible accuracy score, but production systems optimize for long-term behavior. The goal isn't just to be right once, it's to be useful over a long period of time in a dynamic environment. So, when you think about it, machine learning systems succeed not because they are perfectly accurate at one moment in time, but because they have the built-in capability to keep improving over time. It's about sustained performance, not a one-off victory. Understanding machine learning as an iterative process fundamentally changes how you design your systems. It shifts the focus away from just building the best possible model and moves it towards creating robust feedback loops. It shifts the emphasis from short-term accuracy to long-term adaptability. This is why production machine learning is less about finishing a model and more about building systems that can learn continuously. It's about creating a living, breathing system that evolves right alongside the world it operates in. It's a journey, not a destination. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this perspective on machine learning helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. See you in the next one.